Hello, today I'm going to show you how to lock your smart for 2 in case of emergency. If you cannot close the doors by using your keys, you can make this for the trunk with this close button in the interior area. But for the driver and passenger side, is another solution possible, okay? That means we will need our key or a flat screwdriver for this. We open the car and go a little bit onto the bottom side, and there you can see the lock mechanism of our car. And there you can see inside this mechanism, you can see there is an screw with a flat surface. Okay, in this we can penetrate with our, for example, key, and then we can move this anti-clockwise. Okay, there it is. Now the lock is locked, you can see. Let's perform this on the other side, on the passenger side. Let's go to the passenger side. Let's have a look to the lock mechanism, and there it is again. There is the other screw with the flat surface. Oh yeah. Okay, let's penetrate now with our key or flat screwdriver, and then we can lock our lock again without the power of our keys. On the passenger side, we go clockwise. That's now close the door and job's done. It's locked. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. So soon.